How to buy Wojak token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money to Wojak crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, go and check their account and keep following their updates about this token. And don't forget to go and engage with their and check their Telegram channel too. So this token is available on the screener. It's created 11 months ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trading number 10 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open funds monitor for that, as you can see. After that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. So now as you can see, this also now click on it, and now you can type here how much you want to buy. And as you can see here, this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect it to DeFollow to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Wojak token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.